are brainstorming all together, and there is a process. When there is an idea, we take the time to study, and if we consider that it's something really innovative, then we escalate it to some editorial team which are at the group level in Paris, and sometimes that innovation is becoming a game, and it's challenging because if I'm speaking about HD, so console, the level of investment is huge. So the number of ideas is big, and the idea which will become a game in 3-5 years, it's very, very small. We know it's challenging, that's why we are always brainstorming and trying to find this new ideas for the future. We started a long while ago, over 25 years, so we are one of the oldest studios in the group. We are one of the biggest as well, because we are over 1,700 something. So we have a very consistent contribution. We were a very tech studio because of amazing universities, Polytechnica, etc. So we were relying on this engineer and this expert in programming to deliver a great game. Today, we are, as you said, very big, and we have talented programmers, talented creative designer, art. We are developing games. We are also a big structure in terms of QC, so testing the games. We have amazing teams providing support for the player or for the other studio. We have, let's say, 300 developers. Which have some technical expertise, and some wish and motivation. At the group level, there is a list of brands, and there is some titles which are coming, and it's an interaction between people in Paris, which are setting what are the priorities, which title should come when, and here people motivation. So if we have a strong motivation to work on a brand, Assassin's Creed, obviously myself, the producer, production director, will be interacting with lead side HQ, saying, look, here I have 50 guys available next year, and we would be happy to have the opportunity to work on Assassin's Creed. You start, you deliver a small part of the game, a mandate. If it's a success, eventually you are able to do a bit more, till a point where you do something very consistent for that game. It's a big industry, the first entertainment industry, so it's bigger than movies or anything else. So obviously we are a bigger structure, we have better processes. But still, it's a lot of about creativity, it's about talents, it's about passion, and we have to innovate each year, because even if 5 years ago or 10 years ago we were able to do the best game for Christmas, let's say, we still had to innovate a bit more each year to be able to please our customer or player. So you need a consistent team, you need to iterate years, and you have the risk that it's not exactly according to player expectation. So it's risky. Still, it's really Ubisoft DNA to try to innovate and to come with new ideas. So we are always trying to come with these new ideas, especially when there is new generation of console. It's a new technical opportunity to show something different and something new. Streaming and cloud gaming is something strategic for us. It's a new way to play and to attract new players. So you do not need necessarily a very strong hardware with a CPU, blah blah blah, which need to be replaced from time to time. You will just need a display, and you will use the cloud to compute, and you will have access not to 1 billion player, but 10 billion. So it's opening a lot of opportunities, and you have also to adapt your games to that, because if you have a console plus a screen as a phone or a big TV, it's different. So you have to adapt that and make sure that all these players will be able to connect and play together. It's a platform where they are connecting and they are interacting with other players, and they are getting a lot of friends, and they are interacting also on a subject they love to speak about. So I think it's about that platform. It's a community of players which enjoy eventually a bit more playing together than playing alone in solo. We have event coming, and we have E3 in a few weeks now, and I think E3 in Los Angeles will be a very important event for some important announcement, and we will be able to share great news at that time.
Okay.